Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on building Arduino Uno as a team in Altium Develop. So in this video, we will be working on the review of schematics. So we will see how can the reviewer comes to the workspace and review the schematics and comment on the sheets in the workspace for Arduino Uno. So let's get started. Go to the workspace and open this PCB, and it's empty now because we did not design the PCB yet. So open this BOM and you can see these all the components which we have added in the sheets. So just open any schematic sheet where you want to add the comment or reviewer is reviewing, as I can see just over here. Let me sign into the workspace. Just go to this top right corner, and as you can see, I am signed into the workspace automatically. So as you can see, the viewer once see this sheet, and this empty comment can be removed, the comment number one, because there is nothing over here. The pin number 5 and 6 of the this header is not used. That was there is no uh, ERC error indicator is added. So I am looking at different components. Do the designer have made any mistake? So just click on the component and click on the comment button and place comment, and in this way you can add the comment. Annotate the schematics because there is no annotation in the schematics. How can someone identify that this is U1, J1, J2 or like that? So I don't annotate the schematics. I have added this comment so the designer comes to know that this schematics needs to be annotated before designing the PCB. So this is the empty comment. You can just click on the resolve button to remove this comment because there is nothing. This was let's click on this MCU. Basically, this USB UART, and if these pins are not used, so then if these pins are not in use, then place no ERC flag or directive and place the click on OK. So this command is also added, and the snap of the schematic sheet where the comment is added is also added with this comment. So the designer can directly see that what is to be added, where to be added or removed. So you can also assign this comment or task to some specific member by shift and pressing the 2 and writing the name of the specific person. So now let's see some other component where you see some mistakes or needs improvement. So in this MCU sheet, when you see this op-amp, you can see that there is no VCC and ground of this amplifier. So it means there is something missing on this circuit. So voltages are, let's place the comment over here also, plus VCC and minus VCC not connected. Please see the recommended please see the recommended design guide. So in this way, you can add multiple comments in the sheet. So let's see some more designs, comments. So we have added the comment. You can assign the task to the designer as well by clicking on the task button, and here you will see all the tasks of this specific project are under this menu. So let's wait a second to reload this. So here under the task option, you can add multiple tasks by clicking on plus button and writing the name of that specific task. The name should be like that, which should be very similar to the task, not just a random one like op amp connections. So you have to also mention the part number of the op amp, so the designer can directly go to the specific part number in the schematic sheet. Otherwise he has to be uh, look for or search for the part. So you can assign the status to be to do assignee to the Arduino Uno team. Priority should be highest because the next step is to design the PCB, but this needs to be updated first. So in this way, you can assign or change the priority to in progress, and you can see on the left side that the task is moving from to do to in progress column. So you can also assign this task to be resolved, then it will move from in progress column to the resolved column. So for now, I am placing this into the to do list because it's to be done by the designer. So I have added that this task. You can also set the priority of the different task and add multiple tasks in this option and assign them to the different engineers. Maybe multiple engineers are working on the specific task. You can also give it a name, or you can also change the priority by dragging and dropping. So that's all for today's video. In this video, we have learned that how can we add the comments and tasks. So thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.